Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand
Yes,
English?
ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, I am healthy, ma'am. I don't have.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Second time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to experience living in Malaysia, and of course, I want to earn for the future of my children.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I don't have enough allowance for go to Hong Kong, ma'am, because this Malaysia is free medical.
All,
Mini.
all right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Manilin Makiling. I am 33 years old, married. I have two kids. My daughter is 10 years old and my son is 7 years old. I live in La Union, San Isidro, Davao Oriental. I am college level. I took a course of development communication and Dorso Mati State College. I have work experience as a nanny in Saudi Arabia, almost 4 years and 10 months in one employer, one couple and three children. Their parents work taking care of the three children, ages 2 years old, 6 years old, and 10 years old. My routine every day, I wake up early, I clean myself first, then I prepare meals. If there is school days, I wake up early, the two children, helping, taking a bath, changing clothes, and give proper foods. Then I prepare all things they need in the school. And after 6 a.m., I call the person who assigned to picking and sending up the children. And
Okay,
after that, I
okay. I cut you first, okay? We go through later to your work experience, okay? Because if you were going to tell me about all the things that you have a working experience, I'm afraid we don't have enough time, okay? Enough time.
okay, ma'am.
So, I would like to know some few more details from you first. You are single or married?
I am married, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is driver then 3 years old. 38 years old.
When is your birthday?
Me,
Yes, your birthday. When is your
April
birthday?
to 1992, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 147.3 centimeter. Then my weight is 51 kilogram.
What is your religion?
I am a Christian Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I am only college level, ma'am.
In what course?
Development communication, ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned that you got two kids, which is 10 years old and 7 years old, and according to your profile, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kids later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband, ma'am.
All right. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I am the three siblings in the family.
All right. So So what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is 56 years old and my father is 57 years old.
All right. So when is your first working experience again? In which country?
In Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
How many years you work there? How many
4 years
years?
and 10 months.
4 years
Four
and
years and 10 months. 10
3 months.
months.
10.
10 months. Yes, ma'am.
What year did you
4 years and
started?
10 months.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
September 7, 2019 to July 5, 2024.
All right. So, are you the only helper inside the house or do you have companion?
Yes, ma'am.
How many total family members?
5 members.
What is your job responsibilities there?
Taking care of the 3 children, ma'am.
How old are those children?
2 years old, 6 years old, and 10 years old.
All right. So you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? Of course, you finished your contract, but but why did you decide to go back home in the Philippines and not to continue working with this employer?
Ang kawala-wala sunod.
So what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working with your previous employment in KSA?
Because I want to focus my children. I want to spend more time my children.
All right. So after 2024 and until recently, you are a full-time mother, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to let you know that KSA and Malaysia is quite different. Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So I don't want later that you will going to compare Middle East and Malaysia. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Middle East or in KSA. Alright? You need to be flexible, you need to
Yes,
be
ma'am. Okay.
multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I didn't experience that, ma'am, but I'm willing to take care, ma'am.
Alright, so are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did in KSA. Any
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
uncertain
ma'am.
situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay? If you cannot
Okay,
handle
ma'am.
your job anymore, you feel homesickness, no such a thing that you can go back home easily. This is a 2 years contract. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
It's okay, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours because you are working, but rather than you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay, ma'am.
If you agree, you can come, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. You have your choices, you have your options. If you don't want our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I make myself busy, then I focus my work. After finish my work, I call my family.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can be the boss there. You can do whatever you want. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank
Thank
you
you so
so
much,
much
ma'am.
and have a good day.